I was compensated for this review. This is the 6-pack of Mattress Gaskets. If your mattress slides around, then these are for you. It comes with this piece right here, and then all we do is slide this other piece right onto it, and then we're going to attach it to the metal bed frame with the screws that come with it, and there is a tool to help us put those screws right in, and there are instructions on how to install it. I am at the edge of my bed frame right here, and I have the separate piece attached already. So I'm going to put the taller piece on the outside, and then the bolts or the screws are going to go on the inside right here, and then I'm going to use the tool to tighten them. This is the top view, so you can see this piece right here is against the frame of the bed, and then the taller piece is on the outside. And I've started to put one screw in, and then I'm using the tool that came with it to tighten that screw, and then I'm going to put the other screw on. And then I'm going to tighten it. And now it is on here snug, so it's not going to move off. Here is the other one. I'm going to slide that right on there, and then put it on my bed frame, and take the screw. These are very secure. They are not going anywhere. They are definitely going to hold the mattress in place. You can do them on the other side and on the bottom of your bed too, so the mattress will definitely be secure. This is a really nice metal, and it's not going to scratch your sheets or anything like that. It's very smooth. So that is fantastic. These are really nice, really good quality. I hope this review helps.